Like I said, there's the blade that started it all. That is the V1. This is the V2. Woo! Nice and smooth. Look at that. Okay, let's turn that over, get to the pretty side. All right, compared to the V1, a little bit bigger. Textured Alton. Good texture. And this is, I believe Tri-State said it is lasered into it. I can feel it. It's actually in there, opposed to this one. Okay. Good lock bar access, of course. And a Warncliffe blade. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice front flipper. Deep carry. Choil. I wear large to extra large hands. So if you have big mitts, this is perfect. Jimping, just like the other one. Jimping on the back spacer. Like I said, it is at bladebinge.com marketplace right now. Reverse flick. Thumb roll. Not sure what the opening has in it. You can read about it on bladebinge.com. But it is nice. Glad I'm on vacation today. Bring that to you. All right, let's cut something. Cut test. Wow. I believe that's a hollow. Oh my God, it's like a lightsaber. Woohoo! That's scary. That's gonna make me bleed. All right, y'all. That is pretty much it.